Hello, everyone. My name is Waylon Connor Davis. You'll see Waylon Davis when it pops up, but I actually go by Connor. I actually had a pretty interesting river of life to get me to where I am today about wanting to learn more about communities and just the innovative process of how we can get more involved in communities. I'm actually a graduate transfer from Auburn University. I graduated this past May with a degree in public administration and a minor in sports coaching. I played baseball here at Arizona State. I played for 4 years at Auburn and then graduated in May. And with everything going on with COVID, the NCAA granted all athletes an extra year of eligibility. So I got to come here, start my master's in nonprofit management, and I'm just really excited and thankful for the opportunity to come out here and keep playing and continue to work on school and learn more in this last year of college baseball for me at Arizona State. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm the oldest of five. Um, I really haven't had any experiences outside of baseball that have really helped me grow, besides a couple of deaths in the family. But um, I think in some empowering moments, just for me, that really changed my life and continue to push me to get to where I want to be is when we went to the World Series 2 years ago at Auburn when I was at Auburn. Just some moments there and just taking it all in and realizing this is something that I want to do for the rest of my life. And I was able to use that opportunity to help me grow in my future. And then, and then another thing that helped me grow and makes me want to work more towards my future is the fact of just this whole experience with COVID and having to transfer out here and do this process has really taught me that there's no um, sorry for the nervousness. There's no stopping your dreams, even with everything going on in the world right now. There's stuff going on that we can't control, and just the opportunity to be able to keep coming out here and keep playing is something that really empowers my future and my vision for my future because I could have very easily had my whole baseball career stop and not be able to continue playing right then and there after this past season at Auburn, this past May. But with everything going on and just the ability to keep on playing and keep going to school, to learn more and to get a better understanding of what my true meaning in life is something that I really am grateful for because honestly, being 23 now, I still have growing up to do and I still have some maturing to do just in terms of what I want to do in life outside of baseball, what I want to do every day until baseball's over. I just need to learn more and continue to figure out what my future holds. And I'm just really grateful and thankful for the opportunity to keep being here or to be here to keep playing just so I can keep learning and growing up and just figuring out what this world has to offer for me. And I'm just, like I said again, very thankful to be out here, and I'm really excited to learn more about communities and the ways we can integrate ourselves into the community, and what we can do to help make our communities better for everyone around us. Thank you very much.